What's good, y'all? I'm gonna put you up on game real quick. So I'm logged into Coinbase and I'm looking at Bitcoin Cash. I'm looking at Bitcoin Cash chart. So if you look at Bitcoin Cash, which is a cryptocurrency, if you look at the chart, right, it opened up today at $559, and it's down 17% so far. It's down to $462, right? I want to show you guys how to look at the chart and notice opportunity in the market, whether it's the crypto market, the stock market. You can look at the charts and pretty much notice opportunity, right? Now, most people don't like to pay attention to something when it's going down. It's like, oh, I'm not buying, it's crashing. Why would I buy it now? And it's when it's a great asset, this is the best time to buy. Most people like to buy high, and then when they go down, they sell. So this is how you catch an opportunity. So Bitcoin Cash dropped down, right? 16%, 17% today. If we go out and look at the yearly chart, Bitcoin Cash was at a low of $203. And about September of 2020, it was at $203, right? It ran all the way up from that point, all the way up to $1,642. That in May of 2021, it hit $1,642. Since that point, about a month and a half later, it crashed all the way down to $462. I'm just guessing off the top of my head. That's probably maybe about 60-70%, right? My numbers could be off a little bit, but this is how you catch opportunities, right? So it's down to $462, right? So if you buy it now, which this is not financial advice, but if you bought now at $462 and it goes back up eventually in a year or two to $1,642, you'll have about 300% return on your investment. But let's look further into the chart, right? If we go to all of the years that Bitcoin Cash been available, if you look back to the beginning, it was about $300 in 2017, right? And then in December, look at the date, December 19th, 2017, it hit an all-time high of $4,355. Now, the great thing about the charts is history repeats itself a lot of times, and this is how you find opportunities. I'm going to show you guys something that's interesting. Follow me. So it hit an all-time high of $4,355, right, in 2017. And then in 2018, as you can see, January, it crashed. The whole crypto market started to crash in January of 2018. So if you was in it back then, you know what I'm talking about. Bitcoin was at like 18,000 as a high. It crashed all the way down to 2,500, right? So if you notice here, it crashed all the way down from 4,000 to $637, right? But then in April, a couple weeks later, it hit $1,646. May 7th, 2018, it hit $1,646. Remember that date and remember that price. Move forward to 2021 May, it hit $1,600 again. Look at the date. 1642, May 11th, 2021. So basically, it took 3 years for it to hit 1,600 again. But if you bought here, look, the low was $73. So if you bought it at $73, just say December 2018, you bought it for $73 and you held it for 3 years. You didn't worry about what everybody was talking about. You invested money that you wasn't afraid to lose, and you had patience, because the long-term investor normally wins in the end. So you $73, say you bought 10 of them, you spent $700, right? You held those 10 until it hit 1,600, and then you sold it. That would have been 16 grand. You would have turned $700 into 16,000. I'll drop another jewel on you guys. Long term, you benefit better in the sense of taxes as well. Most people don't want to talk about that, but you do got to pay taxes. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not a tax professional. So make sure you guys do your own research when you out here investing, because they do have risk. There's no guaranteed if you buy it at 400, it's going to go back to 16. But history normally repeats itself when you have a good quality asset. Just do your research. You can do the research on any crypto that was there. Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Bitcoin itself. So just, do your research, guys. I just wanted to tap in with y'all and drop some game, some information, you know what I mean? Don't say I ain't tell you.